it's Alexia from LPT Medical, and in today's video, we're going to do an unboxing of the GCE Zeno-Lite. So first off, we're going to take everything out of the box and show you what comes included in your GCE Zeno-Lite package. So as always, you will get your cannula, your manual, your wall charger, there is an accessory bag, this is your car charger, and then your batteries. A carry bag with a shoulder strap. Then the unit itself. Now that we have everything laid out, we're going to show you how to set up your GCE Zeno-Lite for first time use. First, we're going to install the battery. So it's right on the bottom here. There is this little lever that you are going to pull back and it opens this. You will grab your battery and it just slides right in. And then replace the cover. Then we are going to put on the carry case. Once we have the unit in the case, we are going to install our cannula. The cannula port is right here, and it just slides right on it. Now your GCE Zeno-Lite is ready to turn on. So to power on your GCE Zeno-Lite, you're going to simply press the power button. And then there are a few other buttons here. There is a button to check your battery life. There is a button to silence any alarms you may get. And then there is also a plus and minus button. This is to simply adjust your settings to easily go up or down. What's great about the GCE Zeno-Lite is it also does half settings as well. And then to power it down, simply press the power button again. The dimensions of the GCE Zeno-Lite are 9.25 inches in height, 3.8 inches in depth, and 9.8 inches wide. The GCE Zeno-Lite weighs 5.5 pounds. It has oxygen flow settings from 1 to 5. It comes with 2 batteries, each lasting 4 hours on a setting of 2. The GCE Zeno-Lite is great for everyday use, running errands, going to doctor's appointments. It's also great, like we mentioned earlier, it does half settings, so you can get your precise oxygen setting, and it saves on the battery life. If you want to see how the GCE Zeno-Lite compares to other concentrators, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get notified when we post other videos. And be sure to check out our Facebook group where you get to interact and ask questions with other oxygen users like yourself. But most importantly, if you're in the market for a GCE Zeno-Lite or any of our other oxygen concentrators, be sure to visit our website, www.lptmedical.com, or call the number on your screen and speak to one of our respiratory specialists so we can help get you back the freedom you deserve.